Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik robotic arm with pneumatic hand. Last time I made progress with timing on the sensors, and I found that the log file that I created was not really optimal. So focus of this video is optimizing that, seeing how it works, especially the timing. And last time I ended with some extensive timing which didn't work out quite as well as I had hoped. So in the end I hope to do another complete system test. But first let's see something about timing and the log file. Alright, so with the camera set to a different angle on the camera, on the arm of course, view on the arm, then the source code, the output terminal from the command, log file and diagnostics interface. Now the problem is with the timing that last time of this particular part connected to this engine being released, which releases the hand. But it looked like that these flat pieces didn't actually release the sensors as is the purpose. And so I am going to check this, if it really takes 20 seconds from this moment that it actually passes both switches. And I had the idea that this text didn't really suit my feelings, and that was correct because I had forgotten a new line here which I added, so that should be fine. Anyway, with the support removed as well, let's go and see whatever happens. Really? This one is disabled. So why doesn't it work out? I see indeed no flashing lights. No flashing lights at all on the controller either. Well, I do see a flashing light here as well. And that is out of your scope on camera, but I do see them, so why it is not responding is another thing. Once again, unable to open the interface. Okay, what I am going to do is check for a moment. Yes. Nothing. Slave. Okay, this doesn't work at all, so I'm going to check the other interface. And I hear and see nothing happen. Okay, let's check for some. This doesn't work. Going here, it doesn't work either. Going back here, nope. No, okay. Something is wrong in the data, or with the data. Question is what? Power off and power on may help. Pulling the plug, putting it back in. Both interfaces respond normally as far as power goes. Checking again, and it works. And you can clearly see here that it is releasing. And it keeps releasing. Both sensors are free now. And now it is retracting. It's pulling. So this one is now in again. This one is not. So let me hold this and let me check the log file. And this is all there is of a log file. But what I want, well, no, not really. This is the new part of the log file, which is not much. But I need the sensor equipment, the sensory data to get in, so I have to check that. I added some more writes to the log file, but also let's see here. This is the pivot with all motors depending to the pivot. So I have to look at the other pages, and this is what it is about right now. So the motor of the hand pitch left and hand pitch right, and here is the timing read from the signal given by these sensors, by these switches. So if this is alright, all sensors should be given a nice signal in time. Will it? Well, let's see. What is it doing? Well, currently it is pulling. This one is completely pushed in. This one not yet. And the question is, will it be pushed in completely? Because of that I have my doubts. And now I see that I have to increase this height. So those are all details. And it's coming back, but it is, and it has been going back again. So I don't know what's going on. It's pulling now, not releasing. So apparently I have to be very careful what I assist with. And in this time, there's another thing that I realize. When does it stop pulling anyway? So let's stop this. When does it start pulling? That's a big question. Because I have D digital 2 and I have a T digital 1. 2 digital 2, yeah, and here 1. Wait, T2 digital 2 and T2, oh, if and if not, yeah. So this is a T digital 1 and then there is an if not T digital 1, which is one sensor and the other one is the other sensor. But the question is, when does it stop pulling? Release is absolutely letting it go. Although this is the release yaw, not the pitch. Where do I have the pitch? Find. Pitch. Right. And if I search upwards, find and pitch release. Down. There's none. Pitch pull and pitch release. It is about time that I put that in the log as well. The more code there is, the more confusing if you don't document. Good point. Alright, so now I have added the text hand pitch pull and hand pitch release. So the write is for the log file, the print is for on screen, and what do I see on screen? Oops. The hand pitch pull. So am I actually seeing that back in the log file? I am. So actually now I can verify when it's starting. So let's check it out. Both sensors are down. It is being pulled. And what is it doing? A lot of text. There's a pull action going on. Do I see a release anyway? And that I should be able to see here as well. Do I see a release? No. Do I see a pull? Yeah, 4 times. And this search action I can't do here. So there's no release yet. So, given the fact that I have to wrap this video, this is a point of attention for next time. When does it start releasing? When does it start pulling exactly? Apart from all the other issues that there are, like the rolling of the hand, the yaw movement, which is this one, the pitch of the arm, this one, all things that still have to be resolved sometime. But this is for now the most important. And with that conclusion and result, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please click on the thumbnail here. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. And you can support by donating via either PayPal or IBAN, and you don't need a PayPal account for it. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Much more info, please see my website under the video. Stay safe, take care, bye.